Ever heard the word appraisal and felt a little knot in your stomach? You're not alone. It's a big part of buying a home in PA, but what actually is it? Simply put, an appraisal is an objective, professional opinion of a home's value. A licensed appraiser comes in, looks at the property, and compares it to recent sales in the area to make sure the price you're paying is fair and accurate. It protects both you and your lender. So, when does this happen? Almost always when you're getting a mortgage. Your lender requires it to ensure the property is worth the loan amount. Cash buyers usually skip it, but for most PA home buyers, it's a crucial step. What if the appraiser flags something? Sometimes they'll note necessary repairs, especially for FHA or VA loans, and those must be completed before closing. Don't panic. We work with both buyer and seller to figure out the best way to get these addressed so your loan can move forward. Now, the big one. What if the appraisal comes in lower than your agreed upon price? This can be tricky. You have a few options. The seller can drop the price, you can bring more cash to the table to cover the difference, or we could try to dispute the appraisal with more comparable sales data. We'll navigate this together if this comes up. Appraisals are a key part of buying your dream home in Lackawanna, Monroe, or any of the amazing PA counties. Understanding them makes the process smoother. Have more questions or ready to start your home search? Reach out and let's make your home ownership dreams come true.